Is your PC or laptop mysteriously blind to that superfast 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, leaving you stuck on a slower connection? We've got you covered. First, let's tackle the most common culprit, your Wi-Fi adapter's driver. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager, then open it. Find your wireless network adapter under Network Adapters, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will try to find the latest one online. If it finds one, follow the prompts to install it. If the automatic search doesn't help, right-click your adapter again and select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab here. You're looking for a setting called Wireless Mode or something similar, which might specify supported 80,211 standards. Make sure it's set to a mode that supports 5 GHz bands, like 802.11ac or 802.11x. If it's only set to 802.11b, g, n, it won't see 5 GHz networks. You might need to experiment with different compatible options. Another possibility is regional restrictions. Some Wi-Fi adapters are programmed to only use frequency bands allowed in your region. Check your system's regional settings and ensure they are correct for your location. Finally, ensure your router is actually broadcasting a 5 GHz signal and that its channel is not set to a congested one. A quick router reboot can sometimes work wonders too. With these steps, your PC or laptop should be happily connecting to that speedy 5 GHz network in no time.